Hey guys, Bidicus here with another quick unboxing. This one is going to be on the AMD Ryzen 5, the third gen I should say, of the 3600 CPU, sorry. Why am I saying GPU? Jeez. This channel in particular here is a one cut wonder channel. So if I stuff up or anything like that, I'm going to include it in the video. So you get to see all the rawness. Now, if you're interested in more professional tech videos, then you can check out my main channel, which is TechWizTime. The link for that one will be down in the description below, or if I'm not lazy, I'll probably include it in the cards above. So, don't break. All right, first things first, let's have a look at the cooler. Now, this is the same cooler as the, oh, look at that thermal paste. This is the same cooler as the 3400G that I've already done a few videos on my TechWizTime channel. So yeah, if you're interested in checking those out, you can, but there's the cooler there. It's pretty sweet looking. I'm actually, I'm a fan of the AMD, coolers. Come on, Intel, wake up. Jeez. So that's the, better put the plastic back in. No. Bother. Okay, there we go. And what else is in the box? Geez, I'm losing stuff everywhere. Okay, what's this little ditty? Ryzen 3000 desktop ready. Okay, so yeah, it's just saying with your older the 450, 400 series motherboards, you need to make sure you're doing a BIOS update before you put these in there because they're just not going to work. I've already experienced that, and yeah, you need an older gen CPU first to update the BIOS, and then, yeah, you should be able to use the newer CPUs, sorry. So that's installation instructions, pretty basic. Don't really need that. That is a piece of cardboard. Thank you for including that, that's awesome. And lastly, we've got a little badge there saying that you're a proud owner of an AMD Ryzen 5. And also the AMD Ryzen 5 3600 CPU. If I don't drop it and bend any pins, I did it! There it is. That's the Ryzen 5 3600 CPU, not GPU, which I keep saying. That is pretty cool. So I'll put that really carefully back in there. Now I'm going to pair that with the ITX 570 board that I've already got in a build soon. It's probably going to be a full RGB build, purely because I've got to have them RGBs, and that's what the main TechWizTime channel is all about. Technology, believe it or not. So, I don't think I'm going to get that piece of cardboard in there. No, I don't. Oh, hang on. Did I? Oh no, I lost my. Oh, it's only just sitting in there. I didn't realize that. I almost lost my Ryzen 5 sticker. Whew. Okay, let's stick that back in there. You'll probably notice this channel has got a lot more of my personality, so cheers for that. I really hope you enjoy it. If you don't enjoy my personality, then make sure you subscribe to my TechWizTime channel, because there I have no personality. So in saying that, thanks very much for watching this video, guys. If you're interested in builds, including the 3600 or even the 3400G, then make sure you check out my main TechWizTime channel. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys. See you later.